नमस्कार, मैं सुहास पटेल आप सभी विद्यार्थियों का स्वागत करता हूं। स्टैंडर्ड 9 इंग्लिश मीडियम स्टूडेंट, सब्जेक्ट मैथ्स, चैप्टर 8 क्वाड्रिलेटर। Here last time we saw the introduction about the quadrilaters, types of quadrilators and all the definition. Last time we saw. Now here theorem 8.1. A diagonals of a parallelograms. This is ABCD parallelogram. What is the definition of the parallelogram? Opposite sides are parallel and congruent. It means here AB parallel to CD first, BC parallel to AD, and both are congruent. Divides it into two congruent triangle. Here two congruent triangle, ABC first, ADC second. This given. Okay. Now given here. This theorem is proved. Okay, so prepare, write also. Only for given in exam statement. You written given to prove, figure and proof. Okay. Now here quadrilater, this is the symbol of the quadrilater. ABCD is a parallelogram. This is given. ABCD is a parallelogram. Parallelogram symbol be here this. This is symbol of parallelogram. If you are not written, so this is the symbol of parallelogram. To prove ABC congruent CDA, ABC this congruent CDA this. These two are congruent, and also here BCD this BCD, it means BD diagonals, and DAB, these two are congruent. Okay, now we show proof. Here the diagonal AC of the parallelogram ABCD divides into triangle ABC and triangle CDA. Here this ABCD is the parallelogram, ACB diagonals. So two triangles we have, ABC first triangle and second ADC, because we taken AC diagonal. If we taken BD diagonals, so these two triangles, okay, ABD and BCD, these two triangles. If we taken BD diagonals, but we taken first here diagonals AC. Now this is the symbol of the parallelogram. If you are not written, so this symbol quadrilater, upper side small m, quadrilater ABCD. AB is parallel, this is the symbol of the parallel, CD, and AC is a transversal. Here we saw here AB, this AB is the parallel of CD, and this AC is the diagonals. Okay, diagonals means here this is AC diagonal, two parts. So this is also transversal. Transversal means intersects two lines into a disjoint point. Here C point, here A point. So what happened? CAB this angle, and ACD this is the Z, and this angle and this angle be congruent. Why? Because these are alternate angle. Alternate angles means Z shape. This Z shape, this is the alternate angle, so both are congruent. So we return alternate angles. Okay. Now in the parallelograms, this is symbol of the parallelograms. ABCD, BC is parallel to DA here. Now this BC parallel to DA. BC parallel to DA, and AC is the transversal. Here this AC is the transversal. So what happened? BCA, this angle, BCA, this, okay, and DAC, this Z shape, okay, ulta Z hai, but this Z shape, so Z shape means alternate angles, okay. So in a triangle ABC, this triangle ABC, this triangle, and triangle CDA, this triangle, okay. What happened here? CAB, this angle, and ACD, these two are congruent because here alternate angle. BCA, this angle, and DAC, these two are congruent because alternate angle, and also AC is equal to CA. So what happened here? Angle, side angle. Here also angle, side angle. We can say that these two are, it means triangle ABC congruent CDA. These two are congruent. Okay. Similarly, same to same, this process. जैसे हमने alternate लिया. Similarly, here diagonal BD लेंगे यहाँ, this BD. Suppose we taken BD. What happened? So BCD, these triangles, and DAB, these two are congruent. We can prove that. Same to same process. Okay. Your simple logic. Again I repeat. First, these two are parallel, and AC is a transversal. So this Z shape. So these two are congruent. Same to same again. AD parallel to BD, and this transversal. So Z shape. These two are congruent. Okay. So what happened? Angle and AC congruent to CA. So angle, side angle. We can say that these two triangles are congruent. Same to same, if we taken BD, so these two triangles are congruent. Okay. Now we saw exercise 8.1, first question. This is theorem. This asked in your syllabus, so we can prove and explain also. Okay. So this in your textbook, also show my video. So easily you can understand all the points. Okay. Now we saw exercise 8.1 and start now. First, read the question. The angles of the quadrilaters are in the ratio 3 5 9 13. Find all angles of the quadrilaters. Now, first, exercise 8.1, question 1. First, what written here? In the quadrilaters, this is the quadrilateral is given here, A, B, C, D. Okay, 3 so 3x, 5 5x, 9x, and 13x. Okay. Now we want to prove and find out the angles. Okay. Suppose angle A is equal to 3x, angle B is equal to 5x, angle C is equal to 9x, angle D is equal to 13x. Okay. Now here we taken sum of all angle B 360, we know that. So what happened? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 for quadrilateral ABCD. Okay. Now angle A is here 3x, B is equal to 5x, C is equal to 9x, and D is equal to 13x is equal to 360. Now addition here, 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 8 16, 17, 17 plus 3 20, 2 carry, 2 plus 1 3, 13x is equal to 360. Okay, so x is equal to 360 by 30 because this multiply going this side, so divide. 0 0 cut, 12 3 is the 36, 12. So answer, angle A is equal to here 3x, 3 into 12, 12 is the 36. Angle B is equal to 5x, 5 into 12, 12 5 is 16. Angle C is equal to 9x, 9 into 12, 12 9 is 108 degree. Angle D is equal to 13x, so 13 into 12. So first multiply 13 into 12, 0, 3, 1, 26, 6, 5, 1, 156. Okay, this is the angle we want to find here. Okay, so this is the answer of this question. Okay, first if you given the ratio, so what happen? Suppose x, 3x, 5x, 9x, 12x. Okay, after we know that in the quadrilateral all four angle be addition 360. Now putting the value is 360. All x addition 30. 30 going this side, divide. 0 0 cut, 12 3 is 36. Now angle A, what we suppose 3x, 3 into 12. Okay. Second angle B 5x, 5 into 12. Angle C 9x, 9 into 12. Angle D 13x, 13 into 12. So we are getting the answer. This type we want to prove here angles all. Okay. This type we know the sum. Okay, very easy. Okay, understand, and theorem also. Okay, this period we first put theorem prove, and after second we exercise 8.1 first question. Okay, very easy understanding. Okay, now so in your notebook, textbook, and prepare also. So very easy. Okay, and understanding also.